today we are going to discuss how to generate a report in WinCC using Report Designer. So for this purpose we are using online table control. So let's move towards the software first. This is our WinCC Explorer. So now create a new project. Okay, now this is our main window of of WinCC Explorer. So first go to the tag management. Okay, go to the internal tags. In the internal tags, create a new group and name it as my tags. Okay. Now create any tag, value 1, value 2. Okay. Now go to the tag logging. In the tag logging, create a new process value archive, and here, whenever you have to use online controls of WinCC, you must have to create archive tags. This is very important. So first create archive for value 1 and now again for value 2. Okay, now close it and go to the computer properties. In this project properties, go to the startup. In the startup we have alarm logging option and tag logging option and report runtime. So must have to check mark all three parameters. So whenever you are using archive tags, or you have to use online control system of WinCC. So let's move to the graphic designer and new picture and rename it as screen 1. Okay, and mark it as your start picture and double click on it to open this screen. Okay, now go to the controls. In the controls we have an option of online trend control, function control, online table control. So today we are using online table control. In the next lecture we are using online trend control. Okay, now these are some basic parameters. So as you can see that view current print of a job. Today we are talking about how to take print of your report. So for this purpose you must have to know about this layout. By default the layout is online table control, so that is fine. I will tell you where this online table control is present. So first go to the value columns. The value columns create let's suppose level in the archives we have to value 1 and create another value column. For this value column you are using temperature, value 2. Okay, now close it. Now close it and rearrange it. Okay, that is fine. Go to the standards. In the standards use an IO field and select WinCC tags, internal tags, my tags, value 1. Okay, if you want to change the size to 25, that is fine. Okay, use another IO field, and here in this time I am using value 2, and the value will update whenever the tag value change. So again I am using font size 25. Okay, now save it, and now go to the main window. In the main window we have an option of report designer. In the report designer we have layouts, English United layout. We have an option of online table control. So open it. Okay, this is my online table control. If I want to change, go to the static part. This is my static part, and this is my dynamic part. So this is my OLE object. As you can see that when I have to create on the properties, this is my OLE object. So I want to delete it and use another OLE object. Must remember that OLE object will use images in the form of bitmap. So you must have to select any bitmap image. So go to the desktop. In the desktop I have no bitmap. So wait a minute, first I have to create. Now I have created a bitmap logo. So now I am going to browse, and in the desktop bitmap logo, this is my bitmap logo. Okay, simply save it, and if you want to change another change, I have to rename it as electromechanical engineering solutions. Okay, that is fine. If you want to change this, you can use Siemens Win CX V7.4 SP1. Okay, that is also fine. If you want to change the font size, you can also change it. Okay, so save this, and this is my online table control. Okay, now go to the print jobs. In the print jobs, create a new print job. If you don't want to create a new print job, you can simply use online table control. This simply go to the printer setup. In the printer setup, simply Microsoft printer to PDF, and also click on it. OK. Also go to the printer options of your computer, and here yes, my default printer is Microsoft Print to PDF. That is fine. Okay, Now now go to the designer window, save it and run it. So now I have start simply the run. Okay, now this is my runtime. If I want to change the value, if I want to change value for level, as you can see that the value is changed here 22, here 33. If I want to change this to this, as you can see that. Now I have to stop it. Here this button is used to stop and start. So now again change value to 89. Okay, now let's take a print. When I click on this button, the print job will start activating, and now I have to use a name, report part 1, and this is my table. Okay, now go to the desktop. Now go to the desktop. Here this is my report. As you can see that I have changed the logo and I have used electromechanical engineering solutions here, and I have also changed the title. So as the value will change from 33,022 and 8957, that's fine. And this is my page number, this is my date and time, and this is my layout, and this is my path of my project. So this is my page number 2 and this is my page number 1. Hope you will understand how to generate a report in WinCC Explorer. So in the next lecture I will tell you how to generate a report by creating a new print job. So thanks for watching our videos.